If you shoot at this glass drop, it's actually strong enough to shatter the bullet. But if you just lightly tap the tail, the whole thing will explode from the inside, sending glass flying everywhere.
So that, mga ka-future engineers, ang tawag dyan ay Prince Rupert's Drop. And the concept of that principle is very interesting, so let me explain. Basically, ang Prince Rupert's Drop is made by simply dripping super hot molten glass sa malamig na tubig. In less than a second, it forms yung familiar na parang tadpole yung shape niya. Mataba yung bulb, which is yung nasa harap, at yung mahabang buntot sa likod. So, ito yung pinaka-interesting na part dun sa Rupert's Drop na to. When the outside hits the cold water, it solidifies almost instantly. So, yung shape niya, nalalak na agad or nagiging rigid pa. Meanwhile, the inside is still liquid and super hot, and it cools much slower. So habang lumalamig yung core, gusto talaga niya mag-shrink. Pero dahil sa rigid nung outer layer niya, pinipigilan niya na mag-shrink yung Rupert's Drop at nananatili siya sa ganong structure. Because of that, the drop ends up with these internal stresses, which are yung tensile at compressive. The outer layer gets put under massive compression stress, while the core, and especially yung buntot, it gets stretched into a very high tensile stress. Yung glass, it's ridiculously strong kapag kinocompress, but it's super weak kapag hinihila or tinetensyon. That's why yung bulb, halos unbreakable siya. Kahit pukpukin mo pa ng martilyo, kahit tama mo pa ng bala, o kahit gamitan mo pa yan ng hydraulic press, hindi yan mababasag at mahihirapan yan mag-crack. Napakatigas niyan because the surface is already pre-compressed. Pero paano yung buntot? Yung buntot kasi, halos puro tension na yan. Baliin mo lang yung tail, it's going to shatter immediately. And in less than a millisecond, lahat ng elastic energy na nakastore dun sa buntot na yon is going to release at once at madadamay na yung ulo ng Rupert's Drop. So that's basically the concept of Prince Rupert's Drop. Pero may tanong ako mga ka-future engineers. Paano kung bago natin ilublob sa tubig yung molten glass ay pinutol na natin agad yung buntot? O kaya naman kung matigas na siya, paano kung tinunaw natin yung buntot? Mababasag pa rin kaya yun o hindi? Let me know in the comments down below.